And today we are going to be making peanut butter cookies and
best ever peanut butter cookies.
And right now it's sort of going to be like a war between us. We're going to see who can make the best. I'm going to now be adding the shortener. Okay. That's it. Now I'm going to add both these sugars in my bowl and the beat up eggs. Okay, give me a second. Okay, so now we mix. Nice and sugary.
I'm gonna peek over and see what it looks like.
Yeah, it looks better than what yours does. Time to add the peanut butter. It takes a while. I want to eat the peanut butter so badly. I don't know why, because I don't think I would like peanut butter plain. But you never know.
Tried it. It's actually pretty good.
It is. You've had peanut butter plain? Tell me if you've had peanut butter plain before. Now we'll just wait till it gets off my spoon. Then we'll mix. Now we will mix it. Now let's add this. Vivian, how do you want to see the masterpiece now?
I think mine will look better.
You wish. Now we mix. Oh well. Now we mix. You know, you always have to get dirty in order to be a baker. That's what life calls for.
Now I'm going to add my peanut butter.
How's yours coming along?
Pretty good.
Did you add your peanut butter?
Yep.
Man, that's a lot of peanut butter.
Sugar. And eggs. And now I'm going to mix it all up.
How's yours coming along?
Pretty good. What about you?
You know what? How about, I still think that you're going to do good, but maybe not as good as me.
I think that you're going to do good. I think we're going to do equally good.
Yeah, that's true. Because basically we're making the same thing. It's just a different
recipes.
Name. Yeah, different name, different recipe. But otherwise, it's going to turn out amazing, but still really hard. Now we are going to put some flour in hands, so that way the stuff, the cookie dough, don't stick to us. Just wait till you're done, okay? Yeah, I'm going all in for it. Whoa, yeah.
Feels nice.
It really does.
It feels soft.
Wait, there's my mini cookie I made. Me. Okay. Come here. We'll take that. Wow, this is actually a lot. It's actually super fun to do. This is like, feels like super squishy and stuff.
Yeah. Well, you're
It
rolling
smells so good. Run. I'm gonna pretend like these things are little babies when they come out.
The flour keeps coming off.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna do more flour for my second one. That was hard work. So, we're all done. As you can see, Vivian actually made a mini one. How do you have so much space? Oh, well. So these are my cookies. So good. Those are hers. So now we're going to get in the kitchen and bake them. Yes. This is mine, and then want to show yours, Vivian?
This is mine.
So we're gonna taste them.
I like mine. I like Cora's.
It takes a long time to chew mine.
I'm not 100% sure which one I like better.
Yeah. Well, actually,